Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the system. Disconnect the 12V battery and secure the trailer with chocks. Once done, remove wheels and dust caps so you can access the brakes. You need to inspect magnets, shoes, hardware, and drums visually because visible wear or scoring tells you whether components can be serviced or must be replaced. Measure shoe thickness and drum diameter with calipers. Record readings against manufacturer limits so you know the acceptable service range before proceeding to adjustment or replacement. Now you disassemble the brake, unbolt the assembly and remove shoes, springs, and magnets. You replace worn parts as a match set to preserve balance. Mismatched parts cause uneven braking. Clean the backing plate and pivot points and apply brake-specific lubricant only where the shoe slides. Do not get lube on friction surfaces. If drums are grooved or beyond spec, resurface or fit new drums. This restores correct clearance and prevents overheating, which otherwise leads to premature wear and fading. Reassemble everything and reconnect power. You should install drums and wheels, torque lug nuts to spec, then reconnect the 12V ground and controller wiring. Adjust shoes so they give a slight drag against the drum when turning by hand. This ensures full contact without overheating. Next, bench test the controller and magnets for even activation, then perform a low-speed road test to verify balance stops and absence of grabbing or squeal. If problems persist, recheck magnet polarity and wiring. That single check often solves uneven braking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.